Hey yo, it's Skippy from down under, Queensland, Australia. This is the last piece I'm doing in these two bathrooms, and it's the strip drain, and I absolutely love these strip drains. I reckon they're so cool. So I've cut them to size. Now I just need to glue them in. I reckon they're so neat, these strip drains. I always leave the back part of my drain to bed it when I actually do it. I find it a lot easier and a lot better. Am I going to have enough glue down on that part? I'll just put some more down in there. Cool. Hope you can see, everyone, what I'm doing, what I'm achieving here. I've got that a little bit low, so I've got to take it out. Just a little bit. It could come up. It could come up just a whisker. This is where I should have a bucket of water and a sponge, but I'll wipe it off shortly. I'll be grouting all these two bathrooms tomorrow, and I'll do my silicone Friday morning. Cool. Just wipe me finger on my shirt. That's what I wear clothes for. Nice. Nice. I like it a lot. I thought I saw a little bit of loose. I need to bring that up. Nice. The sheet of glass goes down that line. That's where my aluminium is. Now with this, I'm going to be laying this in a full piece inside the strip drain fill-in, but I've cut it there so it looks like a grout line. I've got to get some silicone. Oh yeah, there it is. I thought I left it out. The best way is to pop these in with a bit of silicone. Just get rid of that. I might have to get another tube. Okay, I'll come back to you. I'll got to get another tube of silicone. My last little bit, and it's gone all shitty and hard inside. I'll get back to you in a sec. Bye.